small income streams that reduce stress. When people hear additional income, they often imagine long hours, second jobs, or constant pressure. But that's not the only option, and it's often not the best one. For many, the most sustainable solution is small, flexible income streams, things that fit into life rather than taking it over. That could be consulting based on your experience, writing, or creating something once that continues to help others. Teaching, mentoring, or sharing knowledge you've already earned through years of living. What matters most is control. Control over time, control over pace, control over how much energy you give. The goal isn't to be busy. The goal is to feel less anxious about money without sacrificing health or peace. What if learning a little extra didn't mean exhausting yourself or giving up your freedom? Small income streams may not sound exciting, but they're powerful. They smooth out financial pressure. They give breathing room and they let you respond to rising costs without panic. Peace doesn't come from more hustle. It comes from more options. Subscribe anytime, and I'm here to help each and every one of you.